I'm going to show you how to summarize tasks in ClickUp. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your ClickUp app. You can find it in your app library. Just type it in and now you can see it right here. So now once you're here in your home page, you can find your task right over there. So just select the task that you want to summarize. So let's say you want to summarize this task. Once you're here, now you just need to look at the top right corner where you can see multiple options. So you have option to share, the 3-dot button, and now there's a colorful button in the middle. So that's the AI button. So this will help you summarize tasks. Just go ahead and select that button. Now you can see the ClickUp brain. Just type in what you would like the AI to do. Type in summarize task and it'll automatically summarize it for you. So there you go, guys. That's how you summarize tasks in ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.